Ashraf, Ashraf. Pukul tu nak buat vlog. Nak buat vlog dekat YouTube. Jom lah tu. Hi guys, this is my second vlog of my life, and now I'm using an Android phone which is Honor 200 Lite. My previous vlog, which is I mostly record back camera. I use iPhone, but now I want to test my Honor 200 Lite camera for vlogging because I love vlogging. I want to try different niche on my content creation, and I am still trying. So right now I'm using, and now I'll be posted this on YouTube and not TikTok. My first vlog I posted on TikTok. Ya Allah. I'm having a cold, guys, because this is in the morning. I always like this. So yeah. How about the quality, the camera? I went to the sink and clean my nose because my nose have sinusitis. You can see. This is the dog. This is where the kids used to play. They play, I don't know, ball. Ashraf, 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 Ooh, Ashraf, 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 cute boy, handsome boy. Mẹ bunga. Okay, di enter code na. You see, my cat, my another cat, my chicken, and my chicken. I have chicken like Zain Malik. You know, Zain Malik take the chicken to the vet, but I never take my cat to the vet. I never took my cat to the vet, but Zain took his chicken to the vet. OMG. I think the stabilization is bad because I'm moving obnoxiously, not thinking that I'm recording. Hey, baby. She's a grandmother, but I call her baby. This is should be the baby. You're not the baby. You are a brother. You are a brother, Ashraf. Ashraf, you are a brother. Woo!